Hi guys! I'm Leng, your property specialist. Today, andito ako sa Southgate Trece Martires, Cavite. This property is located at Barangay Lapidario, Trece Martires, Cavite. 6 minutes drive going to Kapitolyo ng Cavite and going to SM Trece. 2 minutes drive naman from National Road at Korean Hospital. In short, malapit ito sa lahat, even sa mga schools. Dito kay Southgate Trece, nag-o-offer sila ng single attached and townhouses. Safe ka dito sa brownout at makakatipid ka sa kuryente dahil meron ka ng solar save solar panels sa unit mo. I will show you their Alba dressed up unit. Tara, i-check natin sa loob. Alba is their middle unit townhouses. That area is 50 to 52 square meters with total floor area of 62 square meters with 2 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bed. So, ito yung tsura niya kapag may interior design. I-check natin sa taas. Pwede mo nang i-reserve ang unit na ito for only 20,000 pesos. Then, good news, yung 10% down payment natin is payable up to 24 months. We also accept Pag-ibig financing. So, kung interesado ka sa property na ito, huwag mo kalimutang i-message ako. I'm Leng Escopete, your property specialist.